Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. It is Sunday morning, October 9th, 2022. I'm doing a little charting here, getting ready for next week and possibly the week after. I've got three charts I'd like to kind of cover today on this video. It'll be Twitter, Snow, and RBLX, RBLX. Let's start with Twitter. Let's start with Twitter here. Okay, so all the, Twitter's full of drama here lately. We had this big pop to the upside, what is this, on the 4th, and now we've been having a pullback here. What I'm kind of looking for is buyers to maybe come back in. Now this is going to be required to be long this chart. We're going to need to see the buyers come in. And I'm looking in this green circle here. Watch for those buyers. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it on one of my watch lists, my video, the charts I share video here, put them on my video watch list. And when they start to alert, this is where I share with members that maybe we're buying it. And not even if we're buying it, I may not buy it, but, say, hey, members, Twitter's starting to pop up here. So if it starts to do that, if we start to see those buyers come in, I don't want to pick the bottom. I want to see those buyers. And then what we're going to shoot for is a breakout. And if it's bought down in this area here, say 48.30, well, up to that break area, that's almost a 9% trade. So that's not too shabby right there. From there, we're going to look at about 56.40 and then almost $61 up here on Twitter. So we've got the 50 moving average trending up, and of course you've got all the news, Twitter and Elon and all that going on. So kind of probably a news-driven type of trade here. Okay, let's take a look at Snow, S-N-O-W. This is another one that I'm putting on my video trade alert window. For those that have live trading alerts in the scanner, you know what I'm talking about. Have a special alert window, watch list alert window for some real special stocks you might be watching. And these are what I call special stocks. So let's talk about Snow here. So notice I have this right here, chop zone, and I that's what I think. I think that. Let's see, in this area right here, that's just a chop zone. Man, there's just not much information can be given in this area here, unless it's some big monstrous, say, bullish candle or some big monstrous bearish candle, something like that. Well, here's what I think I'm going to take a look at is if we can break out over 193-ish area here, 190. I've got 193.15, but I usually, around that. Then I'll be looking at 114, 115 up here at 40, and then we'll probably have to reevaluate at that point. So basically, if it breaks out, we pull back, pops up, breaks out, pull back. So that's one scenario on Snow. And what I'm looking at, why I'm looking at that is we're still trending bullishly here. Now, that is maybe some good news, or good news for the bulls. Now, here's bad news for the bulls. We've got this double top up here and these shooting stars. So that's bad news. So that's what's going to lead us into the possible short trade here. Short trade below 168.50. That'll be one of our scans that we really like, where we call it a 50 break down in here. So below 168.50, we're going to look at shorting targets of about 155.20, 147-ish, and then 139. And then we can reevaluate from there. So, the chart may look something like this. We have follow through to the downside. This could be, an entry area. If we rally up and then start to pull back, this could be an entry area, and then we're going to be looking at those targets. Once again, I'll have this on our watch list, and we will send alerts out to members of Hit and Run Candlesticks. The last one I have here is RBLX. Let's look at that as a short. So if we come over here and just take this top, connect these tops up here, we've got a high, a lower high. We had that 50 break here, broke that 50 period moving average, and now we're just moving sideways. So the question is, are we going to be bullish or are we going to be bearish? I'm going to shoot for the bearish side. Where that would change is if we actually broke out here. Well, that would change, and we would shift to a long trade. But let's let the price action tell us what's going to happen here. And right now, I'm setting this up for a short trade. So on weakness, below that little red box, even an inside day on that red box, where I won't like the trade short is if the price does start coming above 38.20. After that, our targets to the downside are 31.80, 26.80 down here for about 30%. All right. Hey, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful to you. I would love to have some feedback on different things. You know, anything you see in the video you'd like me to change or update, let me know. And remember, members of Hit and Run Candlesticks, this includes trial members, keep your app on. You don't have to be in the room to receive alerts, but you do have to be in the room at least one time every 7 days to keep the app paired, okay? So if you're on the golf course, watch for those alerts. If you're fishing, well, turn your phone off and enjoy fishing. You guys take care. Thank you.